Yo, what's up, y'all? This is your boy JJ Hart, aka Honda G. I am doing a video of me cleaning my headlights and putting like tints on my headlight. You know what I'm saying? This is my old ODM stock headlights. You feel me? And I'm about to end up putting them back in my car for some reasons and all that. But this right now, what I'm gonna do is clean this out first and stuff, and then maybe restore it. Then after that, what I'm going to do is put like the tint on, but it's not going to be no full tint. And I don't want to talk too much on this video, you feel me? So I'm just going to clean this up, get this out the way. Then I'm just going to show you the next part. I'm off this. All right, so I'm back. I cleaned this up. You feel me? Sprayed it up. Make sure it's like clean. No debris, no dust or nothing on it. Did it for this one. And that one as well. You feel me? For both of the sides. And also the tints that I want to show you is this right here. This half tint, boom. See that? That's for this one, for this side, you feel me? So this is like, you know, a trim tint, you know, 5%. This is like 0 to 5%, I'm guessing. And I have the other one as well for that side, you feel me? And then all I need is the heat gun and this for me to install it. And I gotta make sure I do it the right way, because this is like my first time tinting, and I'm a little professional because I watch YouTube videos. So I decided to do this on my own, and this is at my own risk, you know what I'm saying? If it don't work out, it's not gonna work out, but I know it's gonna work because I'm confident in myself. Yo, what's up, y'all? This is your boy JJ Hart, aka Honda G. I'm back. This is the next day that I'm about to change my headlights. I'm gonna show you right here. These are my headlights right here. I got these done. You know what I'm saying? Tinted. My friend did it for me. You know, it didn't come out the best, but it came out pretty good. You feel me? It had little bubbles on it. I'm gonna try to get it out if I could. You feel me? Then I got this one over here, both of them. So I did both sides. It looks pretty good in my opinion. I like it like this for now. And then also, I'm gonna be putting my LED low beam lights right here. This is LED right here, you feel me? The headlight kit and all that. And this is freaking the high beams right here, these two bulbs that I got. And this is a zip tie that I took out of this box and all that. And I'm about to unbox this real quick to show you how this look, and these as well. So yeah, man, I'm back. This is the LED lights right here. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna take this one out as example. I'm gonna show you. This is it right here. This is looking lit. The LED thing is right here. This is the heat sink, where you can basically, when you put it on, you gotta spread this out. You gotta spread it all the way out, so that way the heat will circulate and all that, so the heat won't hit this, you feel me? So it'll cool down and all that, because LEDs do get hot, but they do last longer than HID lights as far as I know. And this part right here, I think it's for the stopping the error or the flicker or whatever, something like that. I'm not too sure, but I ended up getting this off Amazon. The link is in the description. Then now, what I'm gonna talk about is the high beam. Is over here. This is the high beam. I took it out of the box. You feel me? This is a high beam. This is a 9005. This one's 9006. That's a low beam. You feel me? My fault. And look, I'm gonna show you. I don't want to touch the ball, so let me show you. See that? This is the halogen one, but this is like pale white, something like that. So I ended up getting this. But I'm gonna put these all on, and I'm gonna see how this work out. So let's get it, man. So yeah, man, this is my headlights right here that I'm about to take out. I have to take out both of these. Unfortunately, you know what I'm saying, they nice. They have the LED strip. I showed you in my previous video and all that, how I did it, how I installed it. But unfortunately, man, these gotta go. You feel me? Because I had a problem with this side. And this low beam, this is a low beam part, and it's the wiring inside, but I'm gonna show you the video clips of it. All right, so look at this. This passenger side, this has a light on it. I don't know if you can see it, Mo, but you see this? This light works over here, right? But this side is nothing over here. The bulb's not on this side, on my driver's side. All right, so look, you see this right here? This wire over here, this wire, that's the big problem with me. So I gotta move this wire around just to get this light to try to come on. You see what I'm saying? So I have to move this wire around, but I don't know if this wire is working anymore. So if it don't work, then I'm just gonna have to sell it. I ain't got no choice. Like, it's plugged in and everything, it's just a wire that's not, you know, I don't know, you know what I'm saying? I'm not sure what's wrong with it. I tried a lot of times and I was just like, what the fuck, you know? So yeah, you see this, right? You see all these wirings and all that. And freaking, this is my light. I have to disconnect all this, you feel me? I gotta cut this because I zip tied it before, you feel me? So, and I gotta take these wires out and all that and put the old one back to where it was, you feel me? So, I'm about to just do that because this is bananas right now. But this is gonna be quick, you feel me? So, let's go. So, yeah, man, I disconnected everything, you feel me? This is like the high beam. And I think this is a low beam, these two blue things, you feel me? So I disconnected all this and all that. But the bulbs stay in there because of the bulbs for this aftermarket headlights not the same. These are H1s, you feel me? So I'm leaving them alone. I don't even care about those no more. I'm putting my old ones back, you feel me? So I'm about to connect my old one back and I'm gonna connect my new bulbs, you feel me? So let's go. So yeah, there you go. These are my OEM headlights that I'm about to put back on in a second. And I just installed the brackets. Like, I screwed in the brackets already for both sides, you feel me? And I really love these right now, but I'm about to install these and let's get it. See my amber LED lights come on, and then my LED lights on, and then I turn on my high beam right afterwards, you feel me? So I had to make sure it works right, and it's working really right, you feel me? And I'm really impressed with this, you know what I'm saying? Yo, you see how far this joint shoots? This shoots mad far, and it's wide for an LED light, yo. This is impressive for a freaking $30-something, you feel me? So this is impressive, you feel me? So yeah, I'm back, y'all. This is a little outro, and this is what I have to say. I'm grateful that I had to like change my headlights back, and I had my reasons. I had my serious reasons why I had to do it. For one, my number one reason is that my light bulb keeps blowing out. I thought it was the actual bulb, but I figured that it was my wires that was doing that. Like one of the wires, and I had to play with the wires for it to work. It was working fine, and then now it's not working no more, bro. That's one. And for two, the second reason is that the light bulb that I had wasn't like the same light bulb like before. Like what I got on right now is not the same. You feel me? Like the aftermarket headlight that I had on with the LEDs was H1 bulb. You feel me? Like I explained in the last video, I think. And the OEM light bulb, the original light bulb size for the low beam was 9006 and the high beam was 9005. But the aftermarket one was both H1s, low beam, high beam, you feel me? And the turning signal, I kept it, you feel me? Because it was a LED light. And then when I turn, it turns amber, you feel me? Which is like yellow, orange, something like that. So I kept that on my old headlight, you feel me? I kept that. So that's another reason why I had to change my headlight back. And third is for safety, you feel me? Because that's what I look at, is safety, you feel me? I don't look at nothing crazy, fancy or nothing, but I had to downgrade. And that was a very unfortunate move that I did. But at the same time, I'm grateful for doing that because I like to be safe. I got tired of halogen lights, and I decided to go LED. And I heard LED lasts way longer and it shoots way further. And the LED light is wild bright, son. You feel me? Wild bright. And the link is in down description for the low beam and the high beam where I bought my stuff from. You feel me? So I honestly want to thank everybody for watching this video. You feel me? And I could care less who didn't like it, haters or whatever. I could care less about all that. But all I know is I'm very grateful for what I did today. And that's it. And that's what it is, you know what I'm saying? So, your boy 534 is out. Peace.